Okay, now derivation of centroid of a rectangle. So last video what we saw, for a plane area, x bar means what is the formula? X dA by capital A. What is the formula for y bar? Y dA by A. So this formula you have to use for derivations. Okay, if you want derivation, we need to remember this formula. Okay, now rectangle. For a rectangle, we need to calculate x bar, we need to calculate y bar. Okay, so first what we should do, first step is consider a rectangle of width b and depth d. Okay, next thing is reference axis x. Okay, here reference axis y. Okay, so this is what the centroid G point. Okay, fine. So to calculate that, what is the formula? X bar is equal to x dA by A. So area of a rectangle is what? Area of a rectangle B multiplied by D. Okay, this one is okay. Next x dA. X dA means what? We need to take a elemental area. Elemental area. I'll take some elemental area here. This is what the limit, right? From y 0 to b. So I have to take here one small elemental area. Okay. So what is the distance from here to here? Local centroid x. Okay. So elemental area. What is the elemental area? Thickness dx. What is the length or other distance? It should be d. So what is the elemental area? D. dA is equal to d multiplied by dx. This is over, this is over, this is over. Now we have to apply, put it in the formula. Fine. So now what you have to do? Moment of, if I want x bar, what I should do? Moment of whole area with respect to y axis is equal to moment of elemental area with respect to y axis. What is the formula for that? Area x bar is equal to integration of x dA. What is A value? B multiplied by x bar only I have to calculate. So I will keep it like this. X. What is dA value? What is the dA? Elemental area? D multiplied by dx. Can you tell me the limits? 0 to b. So what x dx formula? X square by 2 multiplied by d. 0 to b. Right? So bd x bar. So b square by 2 multiplied by d. B into d. So b will get cancelled. D will get cancelled. What is b by 2? So x bar is b by 2. Already we know that, right? We have used in the support reaction formulas. Similarly, y bar, if what you have to do? Moment of whole area with respect to x axis is equal to moment of elemental area with respect to x axis. So what is the formula? Area y bar is equal to derivation of y dA. Okay. Now what is the area? B multiplied by D. What is y bar? We have to keep it like that. Y dA. Now I didn't take the elemental area. What I should do? I'll go here. I'll take elemental area. Okay. Of width B, thickness dy. Did you made out the difference? Dx dy. To find x bar, I need to take elemental thickness. To find y bar, I have to take elemental thickness like this. So what is the dA now? B into dy. I'll put this. What is the limit? Can you tell me? For y bar, 0 to d is the limit. 0 to d. Okay. So y bar is equal to b multiplied by d is equal to y square by 2 multiplied by b. 0 to d. So d square by 2 b into d multiplied by y bar. So d will get cancelled. So y bar is equal to d by 2. So what is x bar and y bar for a rectangle? B by 2 d by 2. This is what the derivation. Here one important thing you need to know. What is that? I'll explain it. Yeah. Here what important thing is, for a rectangle you should not remember b by 2 d by 2 and all. If rectangle is there, x bar means half of this distance. I mean from here reference axis is here y, centroidal axis is yg. So what is the distance? Whatever the distance, it will be half the distance. For example, b means b by 2. This is x bar. What is y bar? Reference axis you should see. Where is the reference axis? Here is my reference axis. So x to xg, this is y bar. What is the distance it must be for a rectangle? D by 2. Here what important is, if I am taking one rectangle, okay, reference axis I am considering at the center only. I can consider anywhere. That is the main thing is. So this is my reference axis, okay, compared to this, and my centroid also will be here only, right? Because for a rectangle centroid must be at the center only. So centroidal axis also here only. Everything is coinciding because it's symmetrical about both the axes. Can you tell me what is x bar now from this figure? X bar is the distance from y to yg. So here any distance is there, y to yg? No distance because it's symmetrical. So x bar is 0. What is y bar? It's a distance from x reference axis to the x. Sorry. So x is at the center. So x to xg, 0. Any distance is there? No distance. So always centroid means with respect to reference axis. If my reference axis at the bottom, it must be b by 2, d by 2. If my reference axis are coinciding with my centroidal axis, what is x bar now? 0, y bar is 0. This is very important concept. Okay.